Best free AI video generator. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT and type in what kind of story you want or what kind of text you want. I'm simply typing write story for kids. Send it and ChatGPT will write story for you. Copy it by selecting and then pressing on Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then open new tab. In here, download Novi AI. After you have downloaded Novi AI, open it and then click on create new video. In here, paste the story by pressing on Ctrl+V, and then on the right side, select story language, story style, who is the main character, and also brief description. Then press on continue at the bottom. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here on the right side, select the video style and press on start. Then you will find your video. You can also select voices, add music, text, then go to pictures, which is beside voices. Then press on image to animation at the bottom right. After you have pressed on image to animation, you will find your video pop up. And this is the best free AI video generator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.